Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download KineMaster application for your Android device. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming update from us. Open up a Play Store to begin and go to the search box at the very top of the screen, type in KineMaster in the search bar and press search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result right at the top. If you tap on the app, you should see further information about the app on this page. Its ratings and reviews. KineMaster Video Editor is an easier full-featured video editor. You can add effects, download and re-edit projects, import and export projects, use color filters and color adjustments to make a video stand out. Once you find the application center, tap on the install button in green and your download should start. Your download might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Always be sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any kind of an application for your smartphone. Once the application is installed on an Android device, you should see an open button popping up. If you tap it on, you'll be able to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download KineMaster Video Editor app on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up or the vaccine with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.